Hi everyone, this is Jolene with Superior Products. First and foremost, I hope that everybody is safe and healthy and staying in during this stay-at-home order that we are all facing. So a lot of people have been asking about sanitizer, and one thing that I want to talk to you guys about today is a product that we are going to have available on our website. This is it's a concentrate sanitizer, and it will make 2.5 gallons of ready-to-use product for you. I am going to put some gloves on. You always want to wear gloves when you are dealing with this product. So I'm going to throw these on, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what this does. I do want to point out to everyone, almost everything that we sell to you, we manufacture ourselves. This is not something that we are manufacturing. This is something that we are purchasing from one of our suppliers to be able to sell to you. So this is not manufactured by Superior Products. This is FDA and EPA registered. It is a sanitizer and a disinfectant. So on the label right here, I do want to point out to you guys that this will clean, sanitize, disinfect any surface. And it does state right here on the label, there's a lot of things that it will kill. A lot of really long virus words that I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce for you guys, and we'll do a close-up of this label for you guys as well. But under viruses, the first thing that is listed is coronavirus. So keep in mind, this is not a preventative. This is not going to save you from, contacting any type of flu or virus that, you may be around. But what this will do is this will sanitize and disinfect any surface that you use it on. So if you are detailing fleet accounts, if you have buses, if you have transit, that you're wanting to wipe the seats down, disinfect everything, or if you're just a detailer and you're wanting to provide that extra step for your customers of being able to let them know that their entire vehicle has been disinfected and it is clean and virus free. This is what this stuff is for. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to mix this product up. Again, like I said, this one packet will make 2.5 gallons of ready-to-use sanitizer disinfectant. So one packet will make 2.5 gallons. This one packet we are selling for $111. This will come out to be right around $44 a gallon. We've done some research. We've looked at other disinfectants that are being sold on the market right now, and gallons are selling for around $50. So, again, we just want to make this available to you guys so that you can, go onto our website. You can order it. Right now, this product will only be available on our website. There may be other outlets in the near future, but for right now, this will be available at superiorproducts.com. So let me show you guys how to get started here. So the first thing that we're going to do is I have 2 gallons of water here, and then I also have a half gallon. So we're going to dump all of the water into the bucket first. So I'm going to take 1 gallon and I'm going to dump it in. I am going to take my 2nd gallon and I'm going to dump that in. Okay. And then I am going to take a half gallon container and I'm also going to dump that in. Like I said, this packet will make 2.5 gallons of ready-to-use disinfectant or sanitizer. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open the packet. And you are going to see this in here. All you do is you take this packet and you dump it into the water. You take it, dump it in, the whole packet. Do not open this packet. You do not want to come in contact with what is inside of this packet. So take it and dump it in, and it will dissolve. There's also going to be one of these little silica gel packets in there. You're going to want to just throw this away. Do not include it into the bucket. Just throw it away. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to cover this bucket back up. So that's it. I'm going to cover the bucket back up. The deal with this is, I'm going to read this right off the instructions for you. It states, after you have placed the packet into the 2.5 gallons of water. You are going to wait at least 2 hours before you use, and that will be considered standard full strength, or 500 parts per million. Now, if you wait 4 hours to ensure that the solution has reached maximum strength, that will actually give you 800 parts per million. So you have to wait at least 2 hours for this stuff to dissolve. And you also want to make sure that you have the bucket covered. You do not want to leave it open. You do not want those fumes coming into the air. So, you want to make sure if you are going to be in an enclosed garage and you're going to make this product, you're going to have to use a ventilator. So if you can make it and let it sit, whether it's outside or, in an area where it's closed and you can walk away from it, great. But if you're in a situation where you're going to be making it into an enclosed garage, you have to cover it up, and then you'll want to wear a respirator for, while it's dissolving and doing its thing. So, you have to wait at least 2 hours. Maximum is 4 hours. And after 4 hours, then you will have, again, 2.5 gallons of ready to use sanitizer disinfectant. Now, another thing that I want to point out to you guys is this states on here that it has a shelf life of 15 days. So after you have mixed your solution up and you distribute it into your empty spray bottles to use on whatever surface it is that you're trying to disinfect, after 15 days, it starts to lose its sanitizing capabilities. So you're going to want to make sure that you do use this product within 15 days. This is the smallest bag that it comes in, but there are larger sizes available. So if you are interested in purchasing this product in a larger size, whether it may be, I believe it goes up to 30-gallon containers. So I think there's a medium packet that would make 5 gallons, and then I think there's a large packet that would make even up to 30 gallons. So if you are interested in larger quantities, please just reach out to us. You can email us through the website, and we can get you pricing and availability on the larger size containers. You are going to want to take 2.5 gallons of water, dump it into your bucket, take the packet out, do not open the packet, dump the packet in, let it all dissolve into the water for at least 2 hours up to 4 hours. We will also include additional information on this product on our website. So if you would like to refer back to that for, tech sheets and, different, exactly how to dilute it, I'm going to have everything included on that, on the website as well. Thank you guys so much. Again, I hope everybody is staying safe out there and, stay at home. I know it's really hard, and I know that everybody's trying to wear a lot of different hats and do a lot of different jobs. So you guys aren't alone. We're all in this together. Thank you guys so much for your support. We really do appreciate you guys, sharing our posts and liking all of our social media pages. It really does mean a lot to us. So thank you guys again.